everyone. Every year, thousands of startups fail. Not because founders lack passion, not because they lack intelligence. They fail because they build before thinking clearly. They overestimate their market. They ignore competition. They assume monetization will figure itself out. And by the time reality hits, it's too late. So we asked ourselves, what if every founder had a brutally honest, private, intelligent venture partner, available instantly, offline, and without bias? That's why we built FounderBrain. It's also known as Venture Compass. Early stage founders face three major problems. First one is no structured validation, then emotional bias in decision making, and last one is lack of strategic stress testing before execution. Most AI tools today require cloud access, API keys, and send sensitive startup ideas to external servers. That's a privacy risk, and that's slow, and also that's expensive. Founders need something faster, smarter, and private. So here's the solution: FounderBrain. FounderBrain is a fully private venture intelligence system. It works as a startup evaluation engine with three core features. The first one is idea stress tester, second one is failure time machine, and third one is founder bias scanner. Founders will enter their problem statement. So here is stress tester. So founders will enter here their problem statement, target audience, revenue model, and market size. Let's see. I'm solving the problem is SDG 13, which is actually climate action. So my target audience is urban areas residents. Market size dollar 10 billion globally, and revenue model is SaaS and research partnerships and grants. Now I'll run stress test. You can see here there is no Wi-Fi involved or no this thing involved, no internet access and no connection available. So yeah, here you can see the key matrices. It's in innovation, it's 7 by 10. In monetization, it will be low, risk level is high, and competition is also high. So if you see here, the second feature, failure time machine. So it will simulate how your startup could collapse and how to prevent it. Now I have to describe here my startup idea. So my startup idea is, the name of it is Atomora CQ. It is an AI plus quantum based technology used to reduce carbon emission through carbon capture materials identification made very easy. Okay, so let's simulate the failure. So see, my projected collapse is 2030. In 2030 I'll get my as the project will be failed. So this is actually my wow feature in this. And next one is founder bias scanner. So this is our differentiator. So over multiple interaction, it will detect overconfidence or TAM, which is total available market, exaggeration, ignoring the competition. So it doesn't just analyze the ideas, it analyzes the thinking patterns, and that's why it's powerful. So why we are different is it's designed to run fully offline, no API key, no cloud dependency, no data leakage. Startup ideas will stay on your device. We use on-device intelligence architecture, meaning privacy first AI. So our target users are early stage founders, hackathon builders, indie developers, business students, pre-seed startups. Founder brain becomes the thinking layer before the execution. So our long-term vision is to become the default pre-execution validation layer for founders globally. Before building a product, before raising funding, before quitting job, you open founder brain. You stress test. You think clearly. You build smarter. Startup don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because of untested assumptions. Founder brain focuses clarity, and clarity builds better companies. Thank you very much. I hope you like the idea.